Good morning, guys. Merry Christmas. Today is December 25, and we are off to a hiking or sort of walking adventure today. So, our itinerary today is we are going to the Pinnacles, and then after, we are going to Cape Palliser. So, enjoy the view and come with us, guys. There's three cars on the convoy today. So headed by our car, and then the Bakers, and then the Carbonels as the sweeper today. So come with us, guys, and enjoy the scenic route today. It's so pretty. If only my iPhone can do justice, but yeah, have a look. Enjoy! So we are nearing to the Pinnacles, but we had a stopover just to enjoy this very nice ocean view. And look at that. So our destination requires a 1.5 kilometer hike, and it's 45 minutes. It's the level of that walk is easy to moderate. I think if you are really a hiker, but for us it's hal. It's so hard. So this is the start of our hike.
Sir Balong.
Guys, galing na kaming Pinnacles. Kanina kine-question na namin ang aming life choices on Christmas Day. But it is so worth it. Pababa na kami. Sila sila. Ito si sister. Del! Ang layo na siguro nila. Ay, mga bata nauna na. Akala namin, lapit lang ng lookout. Ang layo pa. Ayun na si sister at saka si Kuya Jun. Hi. We are looking forward for lunch. Ang mga bata parang si Kuya Jun nagsisisi siya kasi ang breakfast niya daw ay spaghetti lang at bread. So nakuya pa na ni siya, guys. Kuya Jun, kumusta na ang spaghetti at bread mo? Nalusaw na? Ay, walay na. Pero ang ganda. Mamaya yan, yung allergies natin. Hintayin na lang natin. Can't believe it. Nakaakyat kami doon, guys. At thankfully, parang wala naman sa aming road uncle. Kaya titigil na ako bago pa ako ang maging una. Uy, ito na. We made it down. So I think risk of drowning because pag umuulan siya, the water gets high and then you cannot cross the stream. So this is probably like a waterway. Ayan o. Ang forecast today is super windy. It is windy but it's not cold. It's just nice. So, ito yung pinapakita ko kaninang stream. So look, you have to cross that. Actually no. Let's follow the orange flag. O diba? Sinisiw lang ng mga kids. Andun na. Walang nagpakarga, walang nag-ano. O diba? So this is my view at the moment. Sobrang windy. So we are on the right track back to the camp. Kasi merong orange flag. Cross na tayo ng stream. Street. So yan, it floods here when it is raining. So yeah, may caution. So we need to go to the orange flag.
Too big sa batis.
Yeah, it's so windy. And we are on the last stream where the orange flag is, and we're nearing camp base. Maliit lang naman siya, oh, see? Oh, sarap ng lumublog sa tubig. Ay! Video pa more. But the view is so nice.
Ouch. Ano naman ito nakasakto eh.
Just look at that. Grabe ang mga rock formations. And there's a surprise. The beauty of the... Ay! Lumipad yung sombrero. Sobrang... The beauty of the ocean. Look at that. So, andito na ang aming car park. We made it! Woo! So windy. Nakuling ako dun. Hindi na mapagod. Uy, it's so windy. Time for lunch. How's the walk, guys? Kids, how's the walk? Are you guys tired?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
But what can you say? Is it nice up there?
No.
What?
Yes. But the wind was me and Ate Karen's face. It was in our faces. Friends.
So, natapos na kami mag-hike, guys. Nagutom na kami, guys. And of course, may dala kaming rice cooker. Because rice is life. So, it's 2:20 at the moment. Chill-chill lang. Kain-kain.
Pagod na kasi kami.
And Aribu is eating too. So, we're on the way to Cape Palliser, guys. Grabe, guys. My camera doesn't do justice. See? It's so nice in here.
Naunahan na tayo tuloy.
Slow down kasi slippery surface.
Slippery wind na.
Kuya, baka naman pag winter. Kasi
Wind lang.
ikaw kaya ang mag-slow down kasi convoy to ah.
Naiiwan tayo ni Wally.
Hala, para tong Queenstown. Look
It is so nice. Grabe.
Need all the help we can get. Ano nangyari dito?
Ay,
Yeah.
dito diba nag-park siya?
Oh, hi.
Nag-park siya.
That's a tourist attraction.
Ano yun? Lutang.
Pero ano, safe siya ha kasi talagang
Nagkasya siya.
at least dyan siya, hindi siya doon sa kabila.
Oo. Makaka-exit ka doon ng buhay.
Ang ganda. Grabe naman po.
Kita na ako ng dagat.
Guys, papunta na kami sa Karamuan, Philippines.
We're on our way to
Kamarones.
Karamoan. Karamoan.
Ganda sa iyo.
Sobrang ganda. I think, residential area. Saya namang tumira dito eh.
Hala, it's so nice.
Bagay si Pare Carnito.
As in, alam mo matutuwa dito si Kuya Rib.
Ayun sayang wala si Pare Ray. Dito siya sana magtitira sa may bangil.
At medyo i-zoom mo ng konti para hindi yung budang narinig. Like, konti lang yan.
With the rock formation.
Andito na kami,
Grabbing waves, oh,
guys.
grabbing waves.
With the rock formation and
Grabe.
the waves,
And the big waves.
splashing and the stone is just perfect.
And the big and the big waves of the mermaid waving.
This is just this is lit. It's giving.
Look at this. They have a submarine bridge.
And you know what? If everyone is here in the rock,
Alam mo itong sila, paligong lake o paligong dagat.
at saka ang ganda.
Ah, sil. Oh, lagi sil.
Ito, parang
Sil,
mga...
oh.
Airbnb.
Lagi sil.
Saan man?
Bro. Ano ba ito sa dagat? Oh?
Okay, icons.
Ayun. Yung parang patay yung...
Oo
Wala
nga.
ko kakita na unsa naman
Ayan
tao.
oh. Parang silang mga patay na ano.
Andito na kami, guys, sa lighthouse. Tignan mo naman, ang aakyatin ng hagdan. Hagdan yan. Oo, patibayan ng tuhod. Ito na, guys. Wala pa akong kalahati. That is the view. Ay. Ano ba ito? Ang pinagagagawa natin. Whew. Guys, we are finally here. Woo! Pero guys, itsura namin. Grabe. Hindi ko alam kung ano nakain namin after sa ano, Pinacles na. But look at the view. Super ganda. Ari, you can do it, Ari. Mga tigulang, guys. Oh. Joy, kaya mo yan. Kaya niya yan. Guys, they are more than halfway, pero parang I think they're gonna look at them.
Nag-hike pa eh.
Actually, galing na kasi kaming Pinacles, guys. Oh. How are you, Baba? Hello! You're up here! Good job! Ang tatay niya hal-hal na, guys. Hal-hal. Ewan ko kung naririnig. Ay, grabe na. Ayan. Super windy. Ayan ang mga tigulang, guys. They have to ride. Ay! Ayan na sila. Steps yun.
Sulitin natin yung ating akyat dito. Dito mauulit. Okay. Okay. Mami's calling you.
Grabe ang view. Diba? Ay, grabe. Uy. Baba na kami, guys. makababa na kami guys. Maghanap na kami ng mga seals. And then probably go home after, and that's it for the day. Ay. Galing kami dun sa taas. We made it. We made it. Sabi itong mga batang to. Si El, natulog na. Napagod yarn. Ito talaga, nakailang balik to. Are you tired? Ha? Oh wow, no, grabe, sana all. Sana all, not even tired. Oh, let's go. Look at the seals.
I think there will be no seals here.
There, oh.
Right here! Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can see a seal.
Akala mo ba to? Sa likod nila malungga.
Ay! Oo nga! Alin? Ito?
Sa likod nila balon. Akala mo ba to?
Wala, there's another one here. Guys, si sister gusto niya picturean. Kita mo naman. Hirapan siya. May referee siya ata kasi ano. La 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 la.